welcome back. Today, something new we are going to study in this session. The title you can read out. Tricks to remember. First 36 only. Elements of modern periodic with their atomic numbers. Of course, atomic masses you can guess roughly, but exactly you cannot remember. Okay? Now, if you want to remember the first 36 elements of modern periodic table, alright, I've framed a group of words. If group of words makes complete sense, we call it sentence in grammar. So I made few sentences. It doesn't make very good sense, but it does make good sense. Alright? So if you remember the 5 sentences that I'm going to ask you to learn by heart, finish. You will remember those 36 elements very easy. Alright? Yesterday I watched few videos on YouTube about tricks to remember the elements of modern periodic table. So inspired by those videos, I thought let me make a little bit newer for you people. So hope this trick will work out well for you. So let's see those 5 sentences. Okay? Period. Period number 1. You know there are 2 elements. There are 2 elements. Number of elements. They are 2. First period. Alright? The sentence that you have to remember here is hi, hello. Hi, hello. Alright? If we talk about period 2, there are 8 elements. There are 8 elements. So I have a sentence in which 8 words are involved. Okay? And what is that sentence? Why? Why? What is that? Lick. Below bottle. Lick below and carry means experience. What is that? Nitrogen oxide flavor nectar. Alright? First let me write all the sentences and then we'll try to understand the sense that it makes. As I said, it doesn't make very good sense, but it does make good sense, and which will help you to remember those 26 elements. Alright. Next, period number 3. It will also have 8 elements. Alright. And what you have to remember? Sober, magician, don't say. Sober, magician, already signed photographs, superbly. And that is that's classic art. That's classic art. Okay. Next sentence. Period number 4. It will have 18 elements. So I am going to divide it into 2 parts. 18 words. Sentence will be too long to remember and difficult to frame, making some sense. Okay, so we'll have 4 part 1 And fourth period part 2. This 18 I am going to divide into 2 parts. Here 8 and here 10 words. Alright? Check. What do you have to remember? Potter. Potter. Coolie. Alright? Called. Scoundrel. Ticket checker. Scoundrel, ticket checker. टिकट चेकर बहुत सारा पैसा कलेक्ट करता है पैसेंजर से इलीगली. ऐसा कभी कभी होता है. So he was scoundrel. He such type of ticket checker. लुच्चो लफंगो, right? Okay. टिकट चेकर. Yes. कभी कभी पब्लिक की मार पड़ती है उसको. So he vanished. Potter called scoundrel ticket checker who vanished. Yeah, who was vanished? Cruel man fat. Potter called scoundrel ticket checker and he was vanished cruel man who fat. Alright? Okay? Next. Cobbler. Nicky. Cobbler. Nicky. Copy. Zindans. Gave. Zindans. Gave. Yes. Gets. Assistants. Gets. Assistants. And then 6 brilliant kingmaker. Alright. If you learn by heart these 5 sentences, 3 here and 4th period part 1, part 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. If you learn this statement nicely and if you can recall whenever you want, you can easily recall the positions of first 36 elements in modern periodic table. Alright? Okay? Now let's try to understand. Okay? Last night I sat with a dictionary, okay, to make this and picked up the words from there and tried to put it in a group which makes at least some sense. So here, hi, hello, very easy, that is good, you can remember. Lick below bottle, matlab with tongue. Licking, the word licking, chatwanu, lick below bottle and carry nitrogen oxide flavor nectar. Do you know what is nectar? Yes, it's juice of flowers and this nectar is sucked by honeybees and they make honey. So just imagine in this bottle there was honey, you poured and some honey ran down the outer surface of bottle. So you licked that honey. That honey is nothing but nectar. I'm trying to make you understand that this sentence makes some sense, though it may not make very good sense. So lick below bottle and carry means experience. You will carry. Carry what? Nitrogen oxide flavor nectar. Sorry, ये कौन सा फ्लेवर है नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड? मुझे भी पता नहीं. मुझे भी ये फ्लेवर के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं. But I said here nitrogen oxide flavor nectar. That is what you will taste if you lick the below bottle or below bottle, right? So that is some sense that the second sentence makes. Next, sober magician. Sober, nice fellow, decent fellow. Okay, so a magician. Magician means one who does magical tricks. Already signed photographs superbly. He had piles of photographs. On the top, he signed beautiful signature, and automatically there was signature on all other photographs below it. So that was his magical trick. Sober, a good one, nice one. Sober magician already signed photographs superbly. And that's classic art. That's classic art. बहुत ही बढ़िया art है. And that's classic art. Is that clear? Next. Fourth period, part 1. Porter, कुली, जो लगेज उठाता है. Porter, called scoundrel ticket checker. Porter called scoundrel, जो गड़बड़ करने वाला है, लुच्चा लपंगा. You understand? Porter called scoundrel ticket checker. और ये टिकट चेकर कहां था? गायब था. Vanished, क्योंकि उसको मार पड़ने वाली थी पब्लिक. वो स्काउंड्रल था, क्रूअल था. Vanished cruel man fell. जब पब्लिक ने उसे ढूंढ लिया, तो गायब था, उसे ढूंढ लिया. Vanished cruel man fell. Is that clear? So what is that next sentence? Porter called scoundrel ticket checker. Vanished cruel man fell. पब्लिक दौड़ी, वो गिर गया. Next, cobbler Nicky. Name of cobbler. Cobbler Mochi. Cobbler, one who mends shoes, repairs shoes, makes new shoes. Okay. What is the name of the cobbler? Nicky. So cobbler Nicky copied Zindan's game. Now this Zindan, those who are football lover will know who he is. He is a superstar football player of France, and I think 12 years ago he played World Cup soccer for his country. All right, he's like me. Okay, उसका सर ऐसे ही है. All right, but a very powerful football player. So cobbler, जिसका नाम है निकी, cobbler निकी, copied Zindan's game. आप लोग बहुत सारे रियलिटी शोज देखते हैं, उसमें डांस और सिंगिंग का बहुत पॉपुलर है. वो डांस बच्चे कहां से सीखते हैं? टीवी पर, टीवी के स्क्रीन पर देखकर, या फिल्म सिनेमा हॉल के स्क्रीन पे देखकर. उसको कोई सिखाता नहीं है. जो पुअर पीपल है, जो स्ट्रीट पे रहते हैं, those children learn directly from the TV. They imitate that. But when such children, they are selected for this reality show, okay, because of their talent, they are helped. They are so gets assistance. क्योंकि ये निकी, उसने किसकी गेम कॉपी की? Zindan is a very good soccer player. So cobbler Nicky copied Zindan's game, और उसका टैलेंट देखे gets assistance. अब assistance मिला तो वो और पावरफुल खिलाड़ी बन गया. And then 6 brilliant kingmaker. And then 6 means ढूंढना, to find. Brilliant, you know that. Very good. Kingmaker. Now you have to understand this word kingmaker. अभी इलेक्शन 19th को है ना? Local self government where सरपंच would be elected, correct? वैसे पार्टी होती है, बहुत सारी पार्टियां होती है, and they get sick and finally they are जो biggest party होती है, it forms a government. You understand? But sometimes that majority number of seats, if not one, they have to take help of the other candidates who have won the election. You understand? तो कभी कभी जिसके पास सिर्फ 5 सीट है, सपोज के बीजेपी के पास 100 सीट है, एंड दिस पार्टी रिक्वायर्स 105 सीट्स टू फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट. सामने कांग्रेस है, बीजेपी को कभी सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा, तो वो जो 5 सीट जिसके पास है, जो पार्टी, दे आर किंग मेकर. उन्हीं से डिसाइड होगा कि कौन गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म होगा, क्योंकि उन्हीं की चलेगी. अच्छा, स्कूल बहुत बढ़िया चल रही है, तो हु इज द किंग मेकर? मे बी अ प्रिंसिपल. आप बहुत अच्छे पढ़ रहे हैं, हु इज द किंग मेकर? द टीचर हु इज टीचिंग यू. Alright, you all are very good mannered, very good disciplined. Who is the kingmaker? Your parents, teachers, whoever. Okay, so did you understand the word kingmaker? Yeah. खिलाड़ी तो बहुत, सचिन तेंदुलकर, his talent was identified by Achrekar, his coach. तभी तो वो at the age of 16 he could play international game. Are you getting me? लेकिन ये तो बच्चा है करके उसको ऐसे ही छोड़ा, बड़ा होगा तब खेलेगा, तो कभी खेल नहीं पाएगा. किंग मेकर, they are king makers. Did you understand? So he learned, he copied Zindan's game, then looking at his talent, he gets assistance, and now he sits brilliant king maker. जो उसको टीम में लेगा, उसको खिलाएगा. Alright? Did you understand the sentences? You have to learn this 5 sentences by heart. Alright? How they are going to help you now? Let's see. Alright children, let's see how those 5 sentences are going to help you to remember the first 36 elements which are placed in modern periodic table. How many vertical columns are there in modern periodic table? 18. So I'm going to write the numbers of those 18 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Okay? I'm going to put A. First A, second A. और यहां से शुरू होता है third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B. And this is 8th group. 8th group. अब 11 ये फर्स्ट B है ना? और सेकंड B है, और 13 से फर्स्ट A, सेकंड A और 13 is 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, and this is 8th group या 0 group. उसको 0 group भी कहते हैं. You understand? Alright, either it is called 0th group or 8th group. 18 group को कभी 8 नहीं कहते, 0th group पर कहते हैं. Are you getting me? Did you understand? So, did you understand what I wrote just now? 1 to 18 जो vertical columns है, उसमें 1 और 2 फर्स्ट A, सेकंड A, फिर 13 से 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, and then 0th group. और यहां से 3B को मैंने नीचे लिखा है, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, फिर 8 में 3 है, 8, 9 और 10. And this is 1B, not 11B. It will be 1B and 2B. Is that clear? हमें सिर्फ 4 पीरियड हम देखेंगे. ये ग्रुप्स कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? ये ग्रुप्स है, और ये पीरियड्स है. राइट? Period number 1, period number, and period number. In period 1, there are 2 elements. In period 2, there are 8 and 8. And these are the 36 elements that we are going to remember. Alright? Are you ready? addition. The first sentence I told you to remember is hi, hello. Hi, hello. That hi is hydrogen with symbol H. Hello is helium with symbol H. पहले में कितना है? सिर्फ 2 एलिमेंट. Only 2. So that hydrogen lies in the first group and helium lies in the last group. Helium lies in the last group. There are no elements between hydrogen and helium. Okay? Are you getting me? Totally black रहेगा. First or last? Is that clear? Yes. Did you understand? Now can you tell me for the second one what you have to remember? Yes. Lick. Okay, for second one what you have to remember? Lick below bottle and carry nitrogen oxide nitrogen oxide flavor nectar. Alright? Now it's so easy. Children, यहाँ 80 एलिमेंट्स है, तो सिर्फ फर्स्ट डे, सेकंड डे, थर्ड डे, फोर्थ डे, फिफ्थ डे, ओनली इन A, not in B. Alright? So what is the first element? Li. Li is lithium. So here lithium. Second, yes, beryllium, Be. अब ये B ग्रुप छोड़ दो. थर्ड A ग्रुप. Third A, Bo, boron, and the symbol is simply B. Symbol is simply B. Then Car, carbon, that is only C. Symbol is only C. Then nitrogen, symbol is simply N. Fluorine, symbol is F. Okay, oxide is left out. O oxide, that is oxygen. Then fluorine, simply F. Or neon, Ne. Please, there is no element here. Okay? B ग्रुप में कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है. B ग्रुप में कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है. Are you getting me? यहाँ भी B ग्रुप में कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं होगा. Because how many elements are there? 8. Now what is the sentence you have to remember in the third one? Water. Okay. थर्ड में है sober, magician, already, sign, photograph, superbly, and that's classic art. And that's classic. Children, the first two letters will help you. Sodium, that is Na. Magnesium, Mg. फिर डायरेक्ट A ग्रुप में जाएगा क्योंकि एक ही है. बोलो Al, एल्यूमिनियम, Si, सिलिकॉन, photograph, phosphorus, that is simply P. Superbly, Su, sulfur. Symbol is simply as classic, chlorine, Cl. Okay, and Ar, argon. So first two letters mostly help you to give the name या symbol. Like so, it doesn't give symbol, but it gives you sodium. There are three letters: magnesium, aluminium. It gives symbol as well as name. Silicon, symbol as well as name. SiO2. Sure. Next. और इन दोनों के बीच कुछ नहीं होने वाला है because only 18 elements are there in the group number. Period 4. Sorry, yeah, not group, but period number Period number 2. Now, period number 4 has how many elements? 18. So, हमारा D वाला भी एलिमेंट होगा. Alright, but I have divided it into 2 parts. Part 1 में क्या याद रखना है? बोलो. Quarter, chord, quarter, chord, scoundrel, scoundrel, ticket checker. Actually, he had vanished. Vanished, cruel, man, bad. Okay? So here, potassium, but the symbol is K. Cl, calcium, and the symbol is Cl. Now this is interesting. Scandium, yes, B में शुरू होगा scandium. Titanium, yes, 4B में titanium. Vanadium, V, the symbol is simply V. Cruel, Cr, that is chromium. Manganese, that is Mn, and Fe, that is iron. So वो 18 में से 8 आ गए, अभी 10 बाकी है, and वो हमको 4th part 2 में मिलेगा, right? There are 10 words making a sentence there. बोलो कौन सा सेंटेंस है? बोलिए. What is that? Cobbler. Nicky. Nicky, the name of cobbler. Nicky is a famous cake wala in our town. Nicky cake. I always buy from there. ये ऐड के लिए मुझे पैसे नहीं मिलने वाले, लेकिन अच्छी चीज है. Alright? Okay. अरे वो cobbler भी नहीं है. वो केक का किंग मेकर है. He's a cake king maker. All right. चलिए. So cobbler Nicky copied what? Sentence gave. Okay. Gets assistance. Okay. And 6. बोलो brilliant. That second part, yes, अब ये 9th group में बोलो cobbler, COB, cobalt, the symbol is CO. Nicky, NIK, nickel, so NR. फिर copied, COP, copper, the symbol is CU. Then zindan, zinc, symbol is ZN. Okay, game, GA, gallium. Then gets GE, germanium, assistance AS, arsenic, okay, arsenic AS, 6 Fe, ceylon, right, brilliant Br, bromine, और यहाँ A को पोटेशियम होता है, लेकिन वो नहीं, Ki का कोई सिंबल नहीं, Kr, that is krypton, So, अब क्या करना है आपको? आप एटॉमिक नंबर लिख लीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I think atomic number we write below. नीचे लिखते हैं, ऊपर एटॉमिक मास नंबर लिखते हैं. So I will do that. Follow. 1, helium. 2, lithium. 3, beryllium. 4, boron. 5, carbon. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. 11. Wait. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 all. And then Now, if the question asked to you is third period and fourth group, ऐसा बोलो, third period and fourth group. Now you know third period is this and a fourth group यहाँ, लेकिन वहाँ तो कुछ है ही नहीं, और दूसरा fourth group यहाँ, कौन सा है? Third period. बोलो 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 बोलो. So that is going to be semicon. That is going to be semicon. अब वापस fourth period और third group. Fourth period and third group. So fourth period is this. There are 18 elements. और fourth period में दो है. एक है scandium. No, titanium. Third group, yes, third group, ये वाला fourth नहीं, group is third, period is fourth, so that gives you scandium. लेकिन third group यहाँ भी है ना? ये भी है third group. वहाँ क्या है? गैलियम. यहाँ भी है, तो यहाँ से मुझे मिलेगा गैलियम. So if only third group is mentioned, you will have to say either that is scandium or. But if they say third A group, the third A group will be gallium. But if they say third B group, then you can say scandium. So this type of question can be there in the examination. But yes, of course, first 36 elements may. Alright? Matlab, group can be any, but periods will be only up to. I hope you will be able to remember this 36 elements and then answer any question you like. कोई भी question हो तो वो answer कर पाए. Alright? So that's all in this session. Hope you will remember this well. Best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.